can do. I have a friend of mine who has seen the video, so I know that the video is true. The video will have a far-reaching effect on the BJP in 5 states. In Goa we have a nice, but in other states there are different elements as MLAs. So it will have a far-reaching effect on 5 states. So BJP has to drop that so-called minister now, because that video was seen by my friend. The face was masked. So it will have a far-reaching effect on the other party. The minister has to be dropped right now. America is closed. The travel is by air or travel is by net.
But you believe in the allegations made by Congress?
See, it has to be true. It will be true. I don't have friends who have seen the video.
So you are having knowledge about the video.
Yeah. Only thing they have cut their face black.
You haven't seen the minister.
No.